Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into some of the strangest, most bizarre features ever stuffed into a car. From a toilet disguised as a champagne cooler to anti-kidnapping sensors, these are the kinds of automotive stories that leave you scratching your head and wondering, what were they thinking? You're about to hear about 10 of the weirdest, most fascinating car features of all time, each with its own unique backstory. So buckle up, because things are about to get strange. 10 Chrysler's Highway HiFi, the record player that couldn't keep up. It's 1956, and Chrysler wants to revolutionize in-car entertainment with a built-in record player called the Highway HiFi. The idea sounds incredible. Drivers could now enjoy their favorite albums while cruising down the highway, but the execution? Not so much. The record player only played Chrysler's proprietary 7-inch records, forcing owners to buy special albums just for their car. And here's the kicker. On cheaper models, every bump in the road made the record skip, turning Beethoven into a remix no one asked for. What started as a bold innovation ended as a forgotten footnote in car history. 9 Toyota van with an ice maker, cold drinks on the go. Toyota's 1984 van wasn't just your average family hauler. It came with something unexpected, a built-in ice maker. That's right, a fully functional ice maker cooled by the van's air conditioning lines. Sure, it sounds perfect for tailgate parties, but let's be honest, who really needs ice cubes while driving their kids to soccer practice? Toyota's engineers gave it their best shot, but this quirky feature didn't survive the test of time. Today, it remains a strange reminder of when automakers tried a little too hard to make vans feel like home. Subaru's 8 Subaru Brat jump seats. Picture this, a tiny pickup truck with 2 rear-facing seats bolted into the cargo bed. That was Subaru's solution for dodging the US government's chicken tax on imported trucks. By adding those seats, the Subaru Brat could be classified as a passenger vehicle, saving the company millions in tariffs. Of course, these seats didn't come with much in the way of safety. Riding in them was a thrill ride, but one that felt more like a dare. Today, the Brat's jump seats are remembered as both a clever loophole and a terrible idea. Imagine you're stuck in traffic, craving that morning espresso. If you owned a 2013 Fiat 500L, you were in luck. It came with an integrated espresso machine right in the dashboard. Fiat partnered with Italy's Lavazza Coffee Company to create a machine that brewed authentic espresso. The catch? It only worked when the car was off. For safety reasons, of course. The quirky 500L and its built-in coffee maker disappeared from the market not long after. But for a brief moment in time, Fiat made sure your commute came with caffeine. In 1958, Cadillac released the Eldorado Brougham, a luxury car so fancy that Frank Sinatra himself owned one. Among its many high-end features was a vanity set tucked inside the glove box, complete with 6 stainless steel tumblers. This wasn't just a car, it was a mobile cocktail lounge. Cadillac's magnetic drinkware remains one of the classiest and strangest features ever included in a car. In 1954, American businessman Joseph Mashuk commissioned a custom Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith with one very unusual request: a toilet hidden beneath the right rear passenger seat. Officially, it was called a champagne cooler, but let's be honest, no one buys a Rolls-Royce with a gold toilet and doesn't use it at least once. Mashuk insisted it was only for cooling drinks. But the idea of a mobile toilet in one of the world's most luxurious cars? It's a story too weird to forget. The Pontiac Aztec is often remembered as one of the ugliest cars ever made, but it also had a secret weapon, a tent. That's right. GM offered a tent accessory that attached directly to the back of the Aztec, turning it into a mobile campsite. It even came with an inflatable mattress designed to fit perfectly inside the cargo area. The Aztec's looks may have been questionable, but its weird camping feature made it a favorite among a small group of outdoor folks. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, with a perfume dispenser for the elite. In the world of luxury cars, it's all about the details. That's why select Mercedes-Benz S-Class models came with the air balance system, a built-in perfume dispenser. Each scent was carefully designed to complement the car's leather interior without transferring onto your clothes. Of course, each refill costs $110, because of course it does. But when you're driving a Mercedes, why settle for pine tree air fresheners? Volvo's anti-kidnapping heartbeat sensor. Safety or paranoia? Learn and decide. Volvo has always been known for safety, but the Volvo S80 took things to the next level with its heartbeat sensor. This feature allowed drivers to detect if someone was hiding inside their car by sensing the presence of a heartbeat. It sounds like something straight out of a spy movie, but Volvo swore it was real. Whether it was used more for safety or to fuel paranoia, we may never know. Bentley Bentayga. The Falconry set that would make RFK Jr. proud. And finally, we have the Bentley Bentayga, a luxury SUV equipped with a custom Falconry set. Yes, you heard that right. Mulliner, Bentley's bespoke division, created a package that included everything a falconer could need, from bird trackers and gloves to a handcrafted marquetry inlay. If you're the kind of person who takes your Falcon on road trips, the Bentayga Falconry Edition is the car for you. As one reviewer put it, when you're buying a Bentley, the price is just another number. These bizarre automotive features are a reminder that sometimes car companies swing for the fences and miss spectacularly. But whether they were practical or just plain weird, each of these ideas tells a story about creativity, risk-taking, and the lengths automakers will go to stand out. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and maybe leave the in-car espresso machine at home.